Se upperfalling a haun agus a man fechting ritau irianu mar ha.
You've got to have stamina for it. It's not something that anybody will do.
Stilm go bhfuil é céad skipalta agus tíireach dúine I gúpar go cruúi.
I was lying on the ground unconscious, thinking, this isn't a job for anyone, this is hard going.
Se eiling a haun agus nar ha irianu daya a coid on point.
Cha bheith sin tríchnar béláil is smúnich a gaid fensichen. Ach smúnich is cuidish a bheith súil colach gun fensichen. Cuidish a bheith garíon colach gun fensa. Díchum a péitichen sábaltja, agus déimi gon críchten agus oidachgan as únis fensichen. Ha skillan sonrichte a dhí san fensideach, agus han skillan sin idin gumal bia agus idin gud geféim gachwa an an un skide tufsir na gaeltach.
It's a very important part of the estate is maintaining fences, a kind of integral part of the job, be it managing the livestock, the deer, public access, the forestry, plantations. These are all reliant in some way on the quality of the fencing. You notice an immediate difference when there's broken fencing or bad fencing, primarily because your livestock will escape. It's a big part of managing property such that, like this size, really.
Ha imig seo se fense die eichting an an náiste goer, or a echt rí fata aan, dat er jaas lientjen mar skide kriechtirach. Ha isem preun geleur haast in feichting, in a doien skari is uuste agus is sisviche.
Ha meise uavas a chéin JL na ballachan cloche na Guardian. Ha skil árid an a bhí tugal ballachan mar sin gan sin a bhí ga chéan di chéle na clachan na bhain. Agus mar sin stillam uavasach a bhí can feichcin an a heo. Ach tuki mi ha fensichen na súile. Agus chanel na skillan a ha sin ann. Sé skil lé a ha ann. Agus fiús na vidú súler na seanvalach an hias na heo. Hiú vir rota tukal stepichen clach tidach a stigi amach céim gus a begin a basa féin tarsinjara agus nóir sin tidach patran rúd gin big get jealachte tarsinjara bhulach tidach go bigad grín a gríochlochaig. Bia down fat kieten te bblianachin as joid de jeug grotig agus metach mirigig.
I believe that the improvements are, to a certain extent, are good in that the fencing is now a lot quicker to put up and a lot cheaper and less labour intensive. On the other hand, the stone dikes would last for centuries, whereas a modern fence, within about 9 to 10 years, it's going to fall down.
Ha ungrichte an an náiste goer, a ba, fat daichet bliana, cumal rian den jeran agus den stoch, eidachgen choneglan, ach na carry agus cean gearloch.
The job entailed a lot of maintenance work, tractor work, cattle work, just general agricultural work, silage, haymaking, fence repair, light fence repair. I mean, it was all done by contractors in those days. No, it was varied. You had a good variation of what you needed to do. Fencing did affect the job in movement of deer and stuff like that. I mean, it fenced, a lot of the prime ground for forestry was fenced off and was a lot of the hefted ground for deer. So therefore it did cause a lot of problems with deer bursting fences. Then you had a lot of fence repairing. And it still does cause a lot of problems, major fencing for deer coming into croft ground and marauding. We did quite a lot of repair work. All the major work was done by contractors. But I mean, checking of fences, which there was a lot of, and general maintenance, everyday maintenance was done by myself or one of the boys.
Femi in ginnelich uur te griestelen op het venstelig unsiger or she op het gengriege han. Maar wil soel jere de kumale staat vensen, shimme tripletje goed is shennoverig.
Am hier Janne 3 venstjes in Janu, maar ha, ze kunnen het is duidelijk aan zo'n venster. Ze hebben kinderen wie het toekal, een postje morgen, een strenigje. Ze elke keer hier aan de venster. Gaan je het kunnen aan, ik kijk, ik denk het bij Jan Richard. Thor ingeland in games toe glachtig daar. Agus gehari fem toe ik maar vechtelig. Lijkt me als ik kawaisig. Ik kijk het er heen rustig gemoed. Ze op het maar daar van een venster. Agus fem toe wie water, fem toe ik maar train, fem toe rare tanken te kijken te gaan hoe agus. Fem toe wie mogen gaan. Ik heb er tellen wie kost ik keer gewaar. Agus maar dan gaan Jessel aan zonnig. Well, vai operella.
Fencing is very difficult, yes. You've got to either be pretty sure. There's not a lot of fencers left now. There's a few big companies, but there's not a lot of individual fencing going anymore. It's too hard. Too hard.
It's physical. There's a certain amount of technical skill involved. And it's very hard work. I wouldn't call myself a professional by any means, but I do try my best.
Die kijken wie kom uit durf, dus groot, wie tagas met taan achter de vast ergens naar een vast slag. Die vijf toe wie kan je kwijt te maken van zonnig ergens. Wie on the ball, maar dat gaan we zeggen.
But the deer, when they were on the hefted runs, they could burst through a fence and cause a lot of damage. You'd walk a fence. You had to see if there was holes or damage and what damage was done, and whether it was needed a contractor or whether you could do it yourself. It was a lot of work. To us as deer managers, it was very important. I think on Conaghlin alone, I am sure it's the same today as it was then. There must be 40, 50 miles of fence to check, which was quite a major job. And we used to do it once, twice a year in those days.
Fencing can be quite dangerous. My primary example of that is managing to hit myself on the head with a large post basher, which slipped out of my grasp and smashed me in the forehead. I was lying on the ground unconscious, thinking, this isn't a job for anyone. This is hard going.
It's as dangerous as you make it. If you don't watch what you're doing, the danger is with the high tensile wire and that bursting and flicking back and catching you. Because if it hits you, it can do a lot of damage. And in respect to that, falling, slippy ground. It can be hazardous.
Dat kan me geen toka venster. Nou ook janu ze op groeien gaan. Agus hou oren een rare teen. Gee was bach nach meer. Dat kan jullie janu agus kasan hem met janu zo.
Reed eldigen ha fensigen gelauer aan zijn riech unigje zo'n unjense hoekal uit de grinnikee agus de jawach.
My son, Ewan, he does fencing. He's got a fencing contracting business, and he still does quite a lot of fencing. Glenahurich, Paloch, that was the worst fence that he ever took on. Very difficult. I didn't work on it much, but I was there probably at the last stretches of it. I chose not to fence on it because it's so difficult. It was horrible ground. It was really bad ground coming over from Scamadale over the top into Glenahurich and over from Glenahurich into Roughside was really difficult.
In a place called Corrynarachan, which is very steep corrie. It's about 4 miles to the nearest road. To get up there, it is at least an hour and a half's walk. And when you're up there, the ground is incredibly rocky and difficult to place any fence posts in. It's difficult to get the materials up there. And so I'd say that was probably definitely the most challenging fencing job that I've ever had to undertake.
I wouldn't rat. I bought nach der Maschine, nach Schar. Agus tú Maschine. Ik tir groich, ik kijk de week man macht als het heen. Nou koite raster in jens uit jugger hoeka. Nou er gaan het toja. Aurara tinken er ringo heen, agus. Hou kom aan praat als het heen. Ze ellen han kariru.
Think about it long and hard. It's not for the faint-hearted.